Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.6% against the yen. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.5% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.5% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Crude oil closed little changed after surging more than 5% in reaction to a Wall Street Journal report that OPEC Plus is considering a production hike of as much as 500,000 barrels a day for the cartel's meeting next month. The US dollar advanced against most major currencies, recouping recent losses as fresh COVID-19 curves in China fueled worries over the global economic outlook and made traders shun riskier currencies. Austrian exchange Bitpanda has obtained a crypto license in Germany through its local unit. With the license from the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, Bitpanda can independently offer crypto custody as well as proprietary trading for crypto assets for German residents.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 13:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 hours GMT. Germany's 30Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.